Hello class. So today we will discuss about the project. Today I will be giving you the project of social, how to do and where to do it. I will explain you all in this video. So in this video I will be giving you the project, that is, the topic is different ways of helping family members. Topic is different ways of helping family members. This is given on page number 15. This is given on page number 15. You can see topic like this. The topic is different ways of helping the family members. Got it? Now, here it is written, make a chart, but don't take any chart. Instead of chart, you can take A4 size paper or single line paper. What you have in your copy, like those papers you can take, or you can take A4 size paper, what is available in your home. Please don't go out to the stationery for buying the papers and all and the pictures and all. Don't do this, please. This is strictly, I'm telling you that please don't go out for buying any A4 size paper. If you have your copy, from the copy from the copy middle section, you will tear 2 to 3 pages, and then in that pages you can do it. And you have colors at home, you can draw the border lines and you can color it. You have sketch pens at home, you can write with the colored pens. If you want, from my side only you can write with pencil, and if you have a black or a blue pen at home, you can write with that the heading and the name and section and all, whatever I am explaining you. But please don't go out. This is the strict, you can say that I am not allowing you to go anywhere out with your parents. Please, parents and children, listen carefully. Please don't go out for the project work, because this is a very small and a very simple way I am explaining this project, and you have to do in pages. So don't worry about this, about going out and chart paper and all. So now coming again back to the project, make a chart. Don't take chart, either A4 size paper or single line paper, on different ways in which you can help the different members of our family. Now, how you help the members of our family. Now, the first point is, how can you help your grandparents? So, you all know we are living with our grandparents, or if you don't live with your grandparents, when you go in the summer vacations to your grandparents, so you help them in many ways. So you have to write only 2 points, how you help your grandparents. Then the second point is, how you can help your parents after they return from work. When your mother and father are going to office and they return, how do you help them? So again you have to write 2 points with this. Here it is written 2 points about each of the point. All 4 points you have to write 2 points, total 8 points. Then, how can you help your younger or elder siblings? How you help your younger or elder siblings? Then again you have to write 2 points. How you can help the person who help your family with cleaning, washing, etc., cooking, etc. The maid which is coming to your home, how you can help her to for the things she can do. So, for each point you have to write 2 points only. How you help them. Now, see. If you want, you can paste pictures or draw. If you have the old books, you can paste the pictures of helping. Related to grandparents, related to parents, related to your younger brother or elder brother or sister, or related to the maid who is coming to your house. So if you want, you can paste the picture. If you don't have the picture, you can draw the picture. If you don't have, it is not compulsory. It is written here. not compulsory. So don't try to go outside and buy these kinds of pictures and all. Do not do this. This is not compulsory. This point is not compulsory. If you know how to draw, you can draw it. If you know, if you have your old books, you can find and you can paste the pictures. Until and otherwise, don't do this. This is a humble request to all the parents and to the children that please don't go out for buying anything. Only writing can be done. Only you can write and give the project. No need of drawing the thing. Now, you can take up till 3 to 4 pages. You can take up till 3 to 4 pages. First page. On the first page, you can write your name, class, section, school, the topic. Already I have given you the topic, roll number and all. On the first page, you will write all these things. And you can color it with the crayons or whatever colors you have at home. The topic is, again I am giving you the topic, that is different ways of helping the family members. Then from the second and the third page you can do the explanation. From the second and the third page you can do the explanation. If you need, you can take the fourth page. That's it. Only 3 to 4 pages are required, and the project is, again I am explaining you the project. For all these 4 points which is given, you have to write 2 lines or 2 points about this. How you can help your grandparents at home, how you can help your parents when they return from work, how you can help your younger or elder siblings, how you can help the person who help your family with cleaning, cooking and washing, etc. Again I am repeating you this point, that if you know how to draw, you can draw the picture. If you have old books, you can paste the picture. If you don't have both the things, then only writing can be done. No need of pasting and drawing. Only writing is done. That is sufficient for me. I will give you the marks. You can take up till 3 to 4 pages, not more than that. Please don't take 5 to 6 pages, only 3 to 4 pages. The first page, again I am explaining you, name, class, section, school name, full school name, roll number and the topic will be written, and from second and the third page you will start the explanation. That's it. This is the holiday homework for you all. Got it, children? So, you will do the holiday homework nicely, and if you have colors, you can do the coloring part if you want. But do it very neatly. Write in a neat and a good handwriting. Thank you, children, and please do it correctly. Don't go out for purchasing anything. I am repeating it for the 5th time. So please don't go out, parents and children, for purchasing anything. Thank you, children.